Prime Minister Modi has reshaped India's foreign policy in the first 3 years of his tenure. The Prime Minister has met leaders across the globe and is trying to position India as a global leader. His visit to the United States is a continuation of his policy to develop strong ties with global powers. Take a look at this special report.
My government has moved with a great sense of priority and speed to turn our Look East policy into the Act East policy, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said while addressing the East Asia Summit in Myanmar in 2014. Indeed, Narendra Modi's first foreign visit as the Prime Minister was to Bhutan in June 2014. In May 2015, Narendra Modi would visit Mongolia. It was the first time any Indian Prime Minister had visited the country. But that never meant that the Prime Minister would limit his foreign policy to India's immediate neighbourhood. He is already on a three-nation tour of Portugal, United States and the Netherlands. And he is slated to visit Israel in the first week of July. In fact, the Prime Minister has made at least 56 foreign visits by April 2017. Narendra Modi has displayed willingness to project India not just as a regional but a global leader ready to provide leadership and assume responsibility. So it doesn't come as a surprise when the Prime Minister vowed to go above and beyond the Paris Climate Accord on combating climate change, despite Trump's US pulling out of the agreement. So what makes Prime Minister Narendra Modi board Air India One and fly thousands of miles to faraway countries? The reason is simple. India is now a part of a global ecosystem after opening up its economy in the 90s. And yet the country hasn't been able to reap the dividends in entirety. Foreign capital and investment remains a big challenge. World Bank has placed India at the 130th spot out of 190 countries in terms of ease of doing business. The Prime Minister wants us to break into the top 50. Our trade deficit was close to $14 billion in May 2017. 1 million Indians reach employable age each month, but the paucity of jobs hurts our growth. We are one of the largest arms importers. The Prime Minister wants India to acquire defence technologies to end reliance on foreign countries. If successful, it would save India billions of dollars every year. However, despite the Prime Minister's outreach, challenges abound. While immediate neighbour Pakistan continues to test India's patience, China too has adopted a hawkish approach. It will take many more foreign visits, delegation-level talks and concrete follow-up action to propel India towards sustained growth. We'll have to quickly manufacture and acquire defence technologies to strengthen our armed forces for regional stability. And the Prime Minister would certainly assess Trump's policies when he meets the US President, even as Trump's US accuses India of eyeing American jobs and billions of dollars in aid. Bureau Report, WION.